And we're back out again. So today we've got Grahame from Shorecast. He's a local company that manufacture leads, and he's coming out with us today. He supplies all our leads. They do them all loads of different colours and shapes and sizes. Absolutely lovely guy. Really looking forward to today out on the water with him. And so it's myself and Lukey this morning, and as you can see in the background, the sun's coming up. Looking forward to a really lovely day. The boat's looking in tip-top conditions. Generation Graphics done the wrap for us the other day. Absolutely loving it. Boat looks totally transformed, and obviously with the new engine, she's a bit of an animal. Yeah, really pleased with it. So without further ado, we'll get the boat launched and then head out, because it is looking absolutely stunning. Right, let's get ready to rumble. Look at it, it's a lovely day again. There's squidders. It's a chilly. I am now. Okie doke.
Bloody hell, Dad.
You all right, mate?
This is crazy.
Right, there's a bit of a brisk breeze at the moment, but we're going to give it a go. We've got a bit of side slop, Kaz's favourite, isn't it? So yeah, so we've got a bit of wind against tide at the moment, and we're just waiting for the boat to spin round. So we're just going to get the rods in the water.
Yep, get them ready.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Yes.
Grab a bit of bait.
We're going with just a squid at the moment.
Squid, yeah, we managed to get 2 cuttlefish
Oh yeah.
on the way in there in the pink bucket.
Have a look. So we found some cuttle on the way in. Nice fresh bait.
Seagulls were showing, weren't they?
Showing the way.
That's it. Let's get the first bait on.
Yeah. We're going with a 10-ounce lead.
Yeah, 10-ounce lead. Chuck that down and see if it holds. I believe it will. There's not much tide, it's just dropping now, isn't it?
Yeah, so we've got wire traces.
Yeah, 90-pound wire nylon coated traces, and then a 100-pound leader, which is mono. There we go, just like that. Presented nicely.
Very nice.
Let's get it.
Let's get out and go. And then I'll get the other rods going. There you go, Graham's in.
Yeah, first fish of the day.
See what we got.
Yeah, he's quite rattly to be fair.
Yeah.
Get a little bit spurry. Yeah, I'm not too sure yet though.
I think I'm over one of those guys.
Yeah, if you go under.
Under that one and over the other one.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? I think so.
No, you're, yeah, that's
Oh,
it.
it is, yeah.
If you go that side, that's it. He's hanging quite a way back. What is it?
Yeah.
It is a spur, I think.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, if I can move that rod out your way.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Smiley face.
You go on this side or you go on that side? Sits in the net.
Lovely.
Shall
I go under that one?
Yeah, try to take that down. Look. Sit.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah. All good?
Yeah.
Got that. Straight in there.
Is that your first one?
Yeah, off the boat, yeah. Well,
Right.
fuck, that's a nice one, man.
Yeah.
I felt so effortless bringing that in as well. Like.
Get a picture.
God, the head's really small on it.
It is,
and then
isn't
the
it?
body's fat.
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
There we go.
Nicely done.
Yeah, well done. Back, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Beautiful boys. Look at that, you don't muck around here.
There we go.
That's
Ratchet man. If you don't mind holding that.
Yeah.
Just
This is a decent fish, actually. rods are lovely, these.
You've only got one rod in the water now.
I think the reels make all the difference as well, don't they?
Yeah. They're also smooth, these.
Yeah.
It's good, it's a bit like Congo.
Oh no, it is a snake.
Pain in the ass thing.
I'll tell you what, he's a lively one. You quite right?
Yeah, you can grab my wallies. Yeah.
So we've already had a spur dog and a conger eel, and it looks like Graham's had something having a little bit of a nibble. Yeah, you got fish on. Yeah,
Oh, that's bigger.
yeah, it feels a bit decent, doesn't it?
I think that might be a ray.
I was thinking though, it's
just heavy, isn't it?
Surprised you haven't had any rays yet.
Yeah.
Sample it.
Maybe another one ticked off, nice little blonde.
That would be nice.
Nice weight on that, isn't it?
Nice ray by the
Just
seams
one
of
big
it.
dead weight. That is heavy, boys.
So it has got some weight there, hasn't it? So it has got some weight there.
Jesus.
Good work up, right?
I'm fine. There he goes. Wherever it is.
On this side.
Bloody hell, boys.
The reason we come here.
Get some nice fish out of it.
Jesus, man.
Say whatever, just
Mate, that is some serious weight. Oh.
He's fighting off that way.
Yeah, he is, yeah.
It's definitely a ray, isn't it?
Oh, no, it's not.
What is it?
It's a spur. Oh,
Yeah.
that nod's nothing.
Just bring him up.
Christ, my arm is killing me, boys.
That's a decent one, that one.
Oh,
That's a proper,
man.
that's a proper one.
Oh, my God, look at
That's a proper one, isn't it, eh?
Just put a bag on the floor.
that. That's got to be the 15.
Oh, yeah, he's... Yeah, that might even be.
Oh, right, that rod's going now, then. That is beautiful, look at it.
Right, let's get him weighed while he's in there.
So,
He's over a double, wouldn't he?
Very rough estimate.
What's he showing?
14, 15, 16, no, we'll say 18.
I'd say he's definitely over
Yeah,
15.
15, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a 15
Yeah,
pound.
lovely.
15 pounder.
Fair play, boys.
Yeah. He's a lovely fish though.
Right, look at that.
Do you want that?
Going a bit there.
They stay still, don't they, when you...
when you're not touching it.
Yeah, let's see what happens in a minute. This is a beast. Oh, mate, this is a beautiful
PB?
thing. Yeah, it's a sweet lord, yeah. Right, come on, baby.
They always fight you, the big ones.
Stand back as you
Drop
throw.
him back,
Yeah.
Go on then.
Go that side.
Send him.
Oh, good.
Yeah, nicely done.
Straight under your boat.
Is it on there? You right, Luke? Mind your feet. Yeah, he's on there, isn't he? Yeah, he's on. Gone under the boat, isn't he? Bit of weight there, or?
Yeah.
bit easier that one, isn't it? He's quite head shaky again, isn't it? Could be a little spur.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's a... I'm thinking little spur. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I'd say. For a minute there, I thought a tope, but just the way it was.
We have had some topes like very similar to the old spurs.
Just running up, isn't it?
There he is. What you got?
Yeah, it is a spur.
Right, T-bar off on the
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
Oh, let the other one come up.
Oh, what's that?
That is another spur. Followed it up.
Holy shit, mad, isn't it?
There you go, Dan.
Oh man,
Yeah,
I thought that was a tope.
He's followed the bait. That could have been a tope.
No, it was that one. So.
Yeah.
Wow, I've never seen
I've
that.
never seen that either.
Yeah, you've got a fish on.
Oh, yeah.
That's right, I'm just watching that lead, Lukey. That's a decent fish. That could be a tope.
Yeah.
That could be a tope. He's gone up tide. That's good,
Right.
good fish. Yeah, I got it. Where's that gone?
Where you put the one in?
In my pocket.
That's all right.
It's just pulled. Yeah, Lukey. I think it's just pulled the hook. Ah. No, it's still there. This is a big fish.
Could they loosen that off?
This has got to be a tope all day long, Lukey. This is a decent fish. I had slack line then for ages. Where that come up.
What do you reckon, Dad?
I reckon this could be a decent tope. Whatever it is, it didn't have to shoot off like a rocket. Yeah, but that went off like a train.
It did.
This has got no, there it is, whatever it is. You don't want to give up, that's it.
It's a nice size, isn't it?
He's as lively as you like, Lukey. He's a frisky one. What we normally do is take the lead off. And then
Now you're just like the fish now.
Jeez.
that's only a little in as well. He's bigger than I thought, actually.
Stop mucking around, Luke. Biting the rod.
Measure it.
Lovely size tope here.
If you relaxed a little bit.
Yeah, so he's on the
Nose
nose
is
there.
touching.
What are we? 130. Very happy with that, Luke.
Nice.
Is he going to stand still? Stay still for a sec? He is, isn't he? Yeah, look at that.
Lovely fish.
Yeah, absolutely
Get a
beautiful.
picture and chuck him back.
Yeah, then looks.
Give him a throw.
Yeah.
He's gone.
No, it's nothing there, is there?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, Grahame.
What do they do?
Sorry.
Yeah, he's in the net. He's just swimming up with me.
Lovely.
Great. Oh, it's nothing there. Oh, it's a bass, it's a bass. Get the net, get the net. Nice little chunk, isn't he? Look at that, right in the scissors.
He gave absolutely nothing.
No, he didn't, did he?
That was lovely.
That's a little bonus.
Do you keep your bass?
That one we will be having for dinner. Won't we, Dukes?
If not,
Grandmama
they
would love it.
Grandma and Granddad would love it, wouldn't they? That was not coming out at all. No.
Right, just push the. That's it, push them in. You get worried, don't you? Think they're going to come out when you've got on the wrong side, and then when you put them in. Right,
That's
you got
it. Not too circle.
Boat's turning a bit.
Yeah, it's just starting to get round in the tide. Tide's just picking up now. Lovely fish, Lukey. I think we're going to have him for tea.
I think he's still.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
No, I don't think.
Yeah,
he's on there. They come up tight. What they've been doing, they've been coming up.
It's where there's not a massive
that's
amount of
quite.
tide.
Just I'm just worried about that bait flying out, so stick her in there. Graham's into another fish.
Yeah.
Not giving you loads, is it?
Yeah, it's got a bit of weight there, but yeah, it's not.
Could be another bass.
Oh.
Keep that. Yours.
Keep doing what I was doing. Just keep the pressure.
Just keep the pressure.
Try and bring it a little bit more to the right if you can.
Yeah. That's it. And just keep the reed on.
Oh no, you got a spur dog
You got
or
a
a
spur.
Tope. It's out there.
You see it out there? Right. Let's see if we can keep him. He's going to go in a minute.
Wallies.
Hang on, Luke, you've wrapped round your head now. Send your arm. Yeah, do that. Woo!
I said, right, that didn't feel heavy at all compared to the other one.
He come up with you, didn't he? Yeah, I've got his head.
You got his head.
Hey, I'm loving the spurs.
It is a nice hook set, isn't it? That's right, I'm just going to tickle it out. There you go, little tickle. Like a little tickle.
That's why I always use clips as well.
Yeah,
just to unclip it, get it out of the way. Try and do that.
Yeah.
So there you go.
That's a nice spur again.
Yeah, it is lovely.
Ready, Rick?
Yeah.
15 again.
Oh.
I think that one.
Oh, Jesus.
Another fish.
Oh, and it's that. Look. Yeah.
Should I do it?
Yeah.
This is on, baby!
This is fishing.
Tighten the drag and set the hook.
Right. You're going to get him gone?
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
There he is. There he goes.
Oh, look, he's just going up.
What is that? It looks like an eel to me.
It's a conger.
No!
Conger time. Didn't want that, did you?
Let's all do the conga.
If you just drag him to my right.
Yeah.
Split his splash, we were
You good?
having a blast.
Yeah, we're good.
You alright, Luke?
Yeah.
Right, I'll let you do it.
Only got 2 rods.
There's that. There's another.
Over this one.
It's like a spur fest out here at the moment. So we've got another fish coming up.
Just run back a little bit.
Yeah. And it looks like a little spur. So we'll probably end up, if you take that one over the top of me. Brilliant, thank you, Vicky. That's that tide, amazing how much that tide pushes those fish down, isn't it?
Yeah.
That water's nice and clear though.
Yeah, to see the fish through that one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nicely hooked, Luke.
Another nice fish though, isn't he?
Yeah.
is it?
Yeah, another lovely Spurdog. It's good to see there's a few more now, aren't there?
Yeah. That's all that went then as well.
Fish on.
And down for it again. And arms like Popeye does when we finish this person. No, there's nothing. Yeah, Lukey.
Oh, you are.
No, there's nothing there. No. It's nicely hooked. Nicely hooked in there. Ready? Got that lid up. Nicely done. Yeah, nicely done.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, and I'll just watch him go back.
Good.
Yeah.
Lucky shot.
There's a nice fish there, Luke.
Does feel nice, doesn't it?
Give you a nice bend on the rod.
Yeah.
Come this way a bit.
Got a nice amount of weight though, to be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how come we've gone down to 2 rods then?
We kept getting tangled. There's a lot of tide, isn't there? We're on 24 ounces of lead. And we just kept getting tangled with the Spurdogs, didn't we?
Yeah.
So dropped it down to 2 rods. Oh, I
Grahame.
don't think we need another rod, because that one's about to go.
That one's going to go in a minute, Grahame. You're not going to have time to eat your pasty.
I'm waiting for it.
This could be a tope. The way it went.
The way it went. Yeah.
The way it's fighting out over there a little bit.
Looked like a rocket, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's coming right under the boat though.
Is it?
Not like the spurs that have been hanging back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it has come under, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, this could be a nice fish.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that's giving you a
That
right
could be a
old-
bass.
You reckon?
Well,
What the hell?
that could be a
The line
bass.
guy.
Want to get the
Yeah.
net?
Yeah.
Just in case.
Oh,
No.
what is it?
The tope.
It's a tope. It's a
Nah,
nice tope.
leave
No
the...
net?
No,
Yeah.
I'll
Move that rod.
that's a nice tope.
Oh, yeah.
That's what that other one went like. It went nuts. But we'll
Baby, preaching.
love it, love it. Do you want to film? So you go, if you're right, you go round that way. Ready? Yeah, look at it go. Yeah. So it's still playing, yeah?
Oh, that's a really nice fish.
Yeah. Bring her up.
I've got the... Oh, yeah. Let's get this fish in.
Yeah. So it just hooked.
And he just hooked. Take that, does it?
Yeah. This is you ready? It's going to go mental when you...
Slowly, slowly.
I'm not doing anything at the moment because you've got the weight. You right?
Yeah.
Scratch around this one. Oh, you skipped your right, mate.
Can we take the line?
Sorry. Yeah, so we'll go.
Oh, he's got Jesus.
I've got the...
Let me go.
Sure?
Yeah, let me go. Dad, you got the...
Yeah, can do. You're going to grab him first time this time. Make sure how you doing it. Snapped. I literally just held on, didn't do much.
What was it go?
Hey? Wasn't hooked fully. Graham's into another fish. See what we got this time. Any predictions?
Oh, don't know. I'd say a tope on this one.
Yeah? It's
Maybe.
coming up, isn't it? It's just here, isn't it?
Yeah, it seems to be staying quite deep.
Another spur. Well, they've just suddenly come on the feed, haven't they?
They certainly have.
That's a nice one again. That's the darker one as well.
Yeah.
Some of them are...
Some are dark, some are light.
Yeah. Nice hook up again, Luke.
Yeah, just in the scissors again. That's it.
Very nice.
Lovely.
Very nice.
Look at all the little tiny receptors on the front of its
All
Yeah.
there.
nose. Yeah.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And then,
Alright, would you
Oh,
like
that's
to
lovely.
Would you like to hold him up and get a nice picture?
yeah.
Not bleeding, is he?
Now I'm going to let go.
There you go.
Have you had a picture of it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Alright. If you want to grab.
Oh, that's a fucking nice one, man.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Mind your hand.
Which hand?
Oh shit, fucking hell, you scared the shit out of me then.
Yeah, well, it's right on it. You got dustbin-lid hands, haven't you? You right?
Yeah.
Mind your finger on there.
Yeah,
Okay, do you want to send him?
yeah. Do you reckon it's worth weighing?
No, he's not as big as the other one. You've got another one there.
Lovely boys.
There he is, back there. Just literally flicked his tail and he was gone.
Oh, awesome.
Another one.
Ain't got no time to think.
That's a nice fish again.
Is this a lighter rod?
No, exactly the same.
That's it, it's the head shaking.
So the tactics of going down the 2 rods.
It's worked, isn't it?
Yeah, you got a nice bend on that rod, mate.
That is a nice one.
We'll sit back and relax, can't we, Dad?
Yeah.
That's it.
Come on.
No, it's the. Oh, lovely actually, no. Easy this fishing lark, isn't it?
It's lovely sitting in the sun. Ah.
Did it?
No, it's
So yeah, it's easy this fishing lark.
So all we do is bait up. We bait up. Reels in.
This is
I
what.
think I prefer what we got going on here.
So nice and chilled.
Yeah.
What do you reckon you've got?
I don't know, it's big, mate.
Do you reckon Spurdog?
That's a 20-pounder, that.
Right,
Here we go.
let's go and see.
See what today brings.
And it's got to be a Tope.
I don't know, it's fighting very similar to a
It could be a
spur.
dog.
Yeah,
Nice double dogfish.
I reckon Spurdog again.
It's the way it's just running, it's just taking some big runs.
You'll you won't know yourself back on the beach, will you?
On a Schwarzenegger. Yeah, I'll give up my beach fish, I think.
You know, you said in a few years you're going to think about getting a boat.
But
Might happen soon.
Yeah.
Southampton boat show tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's staying out far, isn't
Yeah,
it?
he is, yeah. Thinking another spurring. So we're getting nice and close to the top now. He's sort of coming up to the top, coming up tide a little bit.
What we got? What we got? It's coming. It's coming. Oh. He's alright, he's good, the hook. Yeah. Oh man. Nice to see the Topes coming around. Pass me the lead.
Yeah.
Stop fanning around.
Tail walker.
Don't grab, mate.
Alright.
What do you reckon? 12, 15?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a
not bad size,
Yeah,
is
it's a
it?
nice one. Oh, flea. Bagging them up, boys.
You want to give us some slack line?
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, no, it's good.
Great.
Yeah. Do that.
Yeah.
Very good. If you twist it a little bit.
That's it. Perfect.
Nice bit of teamwork.
Yeah, look at his teeth there.
Teamwork makes a dream.
Right.
Yeah, nice. That is a setting ashes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shall I grab it?
Yeah. This one doesn't have spikes, so you're right.
What's he done?
These are more aggressive though, I find.
Yes.
The Spurdogs I find stronger when holding them,
Yeah.
but I find they're much more like aggressive.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I'll move out your guys this way.
And send him.
Right.
Like a rocket.
Lovely.
Where you like him.
It's got a nice amount of weight to
It's
it.
been an absolutely brilliant day again.
It's fishing really well today, isn't it?
It is really well.
It's a shame we can't get out tomorrow.
Tide's dropping off a little bit now, and the sea's flattening up. Still a little bit of a breeze blowing, but very fishable. That one's staying right out there again, isn't it? Just down there.
Tight, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Little tiny Tope that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, see you later, buddy.
What's that? Give it a little.
You got and does a. Yeah, that looks quite nice. Nice little bite.
That's it. It's on.
Fish on.
Yeah, it's got some weight to it. I know we're going to need a rest tomorrow.
Getting close to the top now.
It's coming this way though.
Yeah, he is, isn't he? He's darting all around the place.
Yeah, he's giving some line. Giving some chip on that line. It's coming back this way.
Oh, he's darting around. What have we got here then? We've got another spur by the looks of it.
Is that a spur doing that?
Oh, that's a nice spur.
It's a lovely colour. I love the darker ones. Shall we bring him round at your side, Luke?
Yeah?
Yeah.
He's around the 8 mark, then he's 9.
Yeah.
No, maybe a 10.
He's unclipped that bit.
I've unclipped the lead.
Yeah,
Did it for show.
there you go. Lovely. Hooks up, ready. Little twist. Oh, no, that's
Cool, he's on coming through.
Okay.
All turn, Luke?
Yeah, really head shaky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got some real weight there.
Could this be your tope? We all had a tope. I've had a tope. You had a tope, bro?
Yeah.
You had a tope, Luke?
I touched the leader of it. And that's what
You handled about 20 of them.
Yeah.
Did you put that into 2-speed?
Yeah, the reel's starting to come off.
Yeah, I certainly noticed that.
Bit of
We've obliterated them, haven't we?
we have used and abused these reels, haven't we, really? That's the nice thing. It's always a mystery.
That's why we keep coming back, isn't it? So,
Oh, yeah, really head shaky. Yeah. It's coming up nice and easy. What is it? So here we are with a new rig out. So here we have a Mutsu Circle 80, and that one is crimped with £90 wire trace, which is nylon coated.
Fish on.
Oh, fish on. There we go. Following that, we also have a catfish hook further down, which is a 4-0 catfish hook. And then following that, then we have a £90 brass ball bearing clip swivel. So that's that one there.
yeah.
And that's just attached to a £100 mono, which is on a swivel.
And a bit.
Pro rig slider. Following it up to the end, just to clip onto the main line, which is Grand Slam.
90, isn't it?
Yeah,
£90.
80 something pounds, £90
Braid.
braid.
Yeah, the
And that's it. So there's only probably how long do you reckon the trace is altogether?
it's a couple of feet that.
Yeah, a
isn't
couple of feet long.
it? And all we're going to do is put the hook there and just turn it.
Hook through the tail, turn it, face it downwards, and then you can either fish it out with your finger, or sometimes you can use something like a T-bar to fish it out with. Grab the hook. Picked a small squid.
Yeah, I did, yeah. Easier with bigger squid.
That's it. You got it?
Yeah.
Side slot doesn't help either.
No, there we go. So all we're going to do is pull that like that.
All the way through down the squid.
So that's going in and out. Hook it in there.
Hook it in between the eyes. And then that line is going through the squid. So it's nicely streamlined and presented well.
Right, the beauty of the nylon covered wire is that when you go for really thick nylon, it's quite hard to do your turns. But as you can see, this is so flexy, just goes in and out lovely. You know, and then just a little pull.
That's it.
There you've got a beautifully presented bait, nice big sharp hook presented.
Another one there.
And you've got the one down there.
The nice thing is with it being nylon coated and not normal wire, is you can do that and it doesn't twist on itself. You can sort of twist it in a circle, pull it, and it will just come back to straight. we've just had a few Spurdog and congers on it, and it all straightens out
Beautifully, doesn't it?
perfectly. Alright.
Thank you.
You can make cast that now.
Yeah. Right, I'll do it right.
Out. Yeah, that's it. There we are. That rig, we just baited up, it's going out.
I'm going to send it.
Let's go. Donk. That's it.
And let her, that's it. And wait for it to hit the bottom. Hit the bottom yet? There you
That's
go.
it. Nice.
Just stops. And then
That's
we're just
it.
going to bounce her back.
Right, and we had a little bite on this. I'm just going to check it and just see if there's anything sat on it.
It's true. It's like the new electric reel that we got.
Yeah, that's what makes that sound.
Anticipation. I'm not actually sure. It's coming up here as well, isn't it? I think that's only been down about 2 minutes.
2 minutes if that.
And it is. It's an spur.
Is it tight? Or is it spare?
Actually,
Spurdogs.
what are you doing there?
So I've got a Wally's rig tyre.
Yeah.
Just to wrap the wire trace around, because it tends to cut into your fingers sometimes, into your hands, and it just makes it much more comfortable.
Yeah.
Just to sort of raise the fish up. As you can see, I'm just twisting it, bringing the fish to me. When it's up nice and close, you can use the weight of the fish to remove the hook if you stop wiggling. That's it. Just like that. And you went, and you just release. So it's just nice and easy, saves your hands. There's a lot of pressure on there. That's it.
Nearly run out of bait.
And that's the nice thing with the wire trace, with this nylon coated stuff. It's not twisted.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? How much bait we got?
Onto the scraps.
Any time we go home.
Yeah, this is getting to that time.
This is horrible head shakes on this.
Straight down the ground.
Yeah. Really shats. Really aggressive head shakes. It's coming up here. And we have. Oh, is that a bass? It's a bass. Nice bass.
I didn't even get it on video.
Yeah, I got it on video. Yeah. Nice little bass. We said there was bass around, didn't we?
Right, as easy as I thought.
No? Yeah, I'll take that off. Yes, Dad.
Unclip that.
Yes, Daddy.
Shut up. And flip it back up.
Oh.
God. Sit down.
This is on a
new species.
yeah.
Strand.
On a spider crab.
On a spider crab.
Do you want
With
Yeah.
the lead. Lay the rod down.
Oh, you're going to do it that way. Little spider crab, isn't it?
Look, he is eating the squid. He's got his pinchers on the pinchers trying to eat it. There you go. Not even hooked properly. He's just sat there munching on the squid.
See you later, mate.
How did you jump?
But that's an end to a cracking day's fishing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been really good today. Yeah, plenty of fish.
Yeah. So best fish today, I think that was the
Yeah.
the tope that you had, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was around the £15 mark, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh no, you had a couple of 20s.
Yeah. So we had £20 tope. We've had £15 spurs.
Yeah. About 20 spurs throughout the whole day.
Yeah.
Probably more than that.
And a couple of nice bass as well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with that. It's been a bloody brilliant day. And heading back into cow shot now. So we started at 8 o'clock. It's now coming up 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 o'clock on the dot. Get the anchor in and let's head home.
So I've got a wash down to do, and whilst you travel back.
Luke's going to do wash down, and so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Give us some feedback. Thumbs up if you don't mind, and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Take care.